Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and about 8 miles out in the wilderness, and I'm going to show you how to chill your drinks without any ice or anything. So basically all you do is get your favorite beverage, put it in a stream, submerge. I mean, you can submerge it more if you want to, but I drank half of that one, so I just put it in like that. And there you go. You'll have a refrigerated beverage. Just a cool tip from Irix Guy's Adventure Channel, youtube.com/Irix Guy. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell icon when you do, and you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And be sure to check out my other backpacking videos too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Irix Guy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.